Guys, here we have the Glimstone Biometric pistol storage safe. This thing is awesome. Let's get right into the box, show you what's inside and how to work it. Batteries, keys, manual, charger cable. So right here we have our key lock. Let's put this in here, open this up. Wow, would you look at that? Nice strong locking cable. And just look at the padding and the detail in here. Really nice padding. So it's gonna keep your weapon protected in here, on the sides, on the top. Overall, very impressed with the quality of this safe, you guys. Okay, now we are going to try and set a new key combination, 4 to 6 numbers on here. We're gonna press the set button. Now we see these blinking. Set. Perfect. Now we just switch the combination from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And if we go and try the old combination, it simply will not work. We're gonna press set. We see the beeping. We're gonna place our finger on here 3 times. When you hear that beep, that means your fingerprint is activated. Wow. Would you look at that? And you can set 20 fingerprints, you guys. So you could set all of your fingers and then some. Check it out. That is amazing. And then here we have our new combination. I love the American flag design on the front of this. Now this is a super high quality and durable exterior. This thing will last through quite a lot. Even if you drop it, throw it around, it is going to stay in the shape you want it to. I love the fingerprint. That is next level. You can switch these combinations whenever you want. Very easy to do so. 20 fingerprints here. You have a charger cable right here in case the batteries die out. But of course they give you batteries as well. And overall, this is just amazing, you guys. If you need a pistol safe, a weapon safe, would highly recommend this one to you.